JLB, Jim Lambe, Jalaba, Yajlibua. He drove him from one place to another. It is used to take the goods from one place to another for trading. Al-Jalab, those who drive goats or camel from one place to another for selling. The goats and camel as well jalab are called. Abdun Jalib, a slave who has been bought. From another city, the vagaries of the weather pangs al-jib of hunger or hard work. This has led to meaning to oppress somebody and to be harsh. He oppressed him, Jalaba alay, Ajlabal Kauma ilay. The nation gathered against him. Ajlabal Kaum, people from all sides gathered for battle. Quran has used it is in its meaning 17:6 for bring all your armies against them, storm them. Ibn Faris says the other basic meaning of this word is something which covers another. This way, al-jibab is a cloth which is bigger than a scarf but smaller than a shawl with which women cover their heads and breasts with TMR.